Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Rumble channel and your Rumble account. If you have multiple Rumble channels under one account, then you can delete the channel that is not active. In order to do that, go to rumble.com. Then click on the profile icon at the top, and select Account Overview. Scroll down, then click My Channels. You can see the list of channels. Click on Delete button to delete the channel that you want. Now if you want to delete your Rumble account as a whole, then click on the profile icon, and select Account Overview. Click Account Options from the right-hand side. Now scroll down to the bottom, then click Close Your Account button. Click Confirm and proceed. Open your email for the account closing confirmation link. Click on that link and then press Close My Account button. Finally, your Rumble account will be successfully deleted permanently. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.